In a significant move, Russian President Vladimir Putin announced on Wednesday a new strategic partnership with North Korea during his visit to the Democratic People's Republic of Korea. This agreement marks a pivotal moment in the relationship between the two nations, pledging mutual support against foreign aggression and outlining future cooperation in various sectors. The strategic partnership agreement signed by Putin and North Korean leader Kim Jong-un sets the stage for enhanced collaboration between Moscow and Pyongyang. The comprehensive document encompasses cultural exchanges, tourism, trade, economic relations, and security cooperation. Putin hailed the agreement as truly a breakthrough, emphasizing its importance in solidifying the ties between the two countries. The document on comprehensive partnership that we have signed today provides, among other things, for mutual aid in case of aggression against one of the participants, Putin stated. In his remarks, Putin reiterated Russia's support for North Korea's right to defend its security and sovereignty against potential Western threats. He accused the US and its allies of escalating tensions in the region through their actions and policies. Highlighting the increasing military aid from Western nations to Ukraine, Putin suggested that Russia may deepen its military cooperation with North Korea under the new agreement. He criticized the UN Security Council's arms embargo on North Korea as being orchestrated by the US and called for its revision. Both leaders condemned the use of sanctions by Western nations as a tool to maintain political and economic hegemony. Putin and Kim Jong-un expressed their commitment to oppose such measures, advocating for a more just and multipolar world order. The North Korean leader during the meeting reportedly said that the relations between Pyongyang and Moscow are entering a new era. There are several events on the agenda for Wednesday, including one-on-one discussions between the two leaders, a gala concert, state reception, honor guards, document signings, and a statement to the media. Putin's foreign policy advisor, Yuri Ushakov, reportedly said. Notably, while Moscow and Pyongyang have been allies since North Korea's founding after World War II, with Putin being isolated from the international stage due to the Ukraine war, the two nations have become even closer.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.